Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new for 2015 wig by Raquel Welch called Chic Alert. And the color on Chic Alert is one of her very lovely reds, which is RL32/31, also known as Cinnabar. So let's talk about this color really quickly. So as you can see, this is two different reds that have been kind of blended up together. The first one is a 32, which is sort of this darker, redder auburn under here. And on top of that is a 31, which is this sort of rusty auburn color on top of that. It's a lighter auburn. So very, very pretty color combination and really works on this wig quite a bit. I mean, it's not technically highlighted, but the two colors contrasting like that really brings out the most of this hair texture. And speaking of hair texture, this was one where when I first put it on my head, I was kind of like, why did they make this out of heat-friendly synthetic? Because, and the reason why I say that is because the moment you straighten this hair texture or change it in any way, it's gone forever. It's not like one of the situations where when you wash it, it will come back to this. It's not like a human hair perm. It's definitely going to go away forever until you restyle it like this. So half the reason why anybody would buy this wig is because of the glorious texture on the back and sides. But then, light bulb, I realized why whoever designed this probably wanted this to be in a heat-friendly synthetic, though like I said, that's normally not my first choice in fibers, but it's because they want you to be able to style this front part with heat. So for that, I say, okay, I can get down with that. I can get down with that. If you want to achieve the look in the product photo, you're probably gonna need some heat. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what this wig looks like right out of the box, so you can see what I mean. The texture is really fun and funky and cool looking, and it'd be such a shame to straighten this wig out. So let me go ahead and just show you. And forgive any that are sticking up a little bit too much, but it's a curly wig, you know. Doesn't really move much because it's curly. You know, and so another thing I wanted to point out too is in the heat-friendly synthetics, the colors are a little bit truer. They're a little bit richer. So the Cinnabar in the heat-friendly synthetic is a little bit more saturated looking than what you'll get in the regular synthetic. You know, so they'll be the same flavor, but just, you know, little subtle difference. And by and large, when it comes to color saturation, because the same pigments are used across the board, okay, regardless of the material. So for some reason, this heat-friendly synthetic just really grabs on to the color, so the colors are just very rich and beautiful in the heat-friendly synthetics. I think that this wig is really delightful. This one also has a lace front, and I'll show you that lace front in better detail when I put it back on my head. So here is what this one looks like up close. Look at that gorgeous texture. That texture is just dynamite. I really genuinely caution anyone from trying to change that texture because you'll never be able to get that back. Not in the exact same way anyway. So like I said, this one has a hand-tied lace front, and the rest of the wig is completely machine-made. So you get a generous bump of permatease here at the crown, open here at the top with a little bit of permatease there, and then you've got open back and sides, and a extended nape covered in felt, which is nice. And then it has these Velcro adjusters that latch onto the felt. Very stretchy here on the sides, nice big band of elastic on both sides. And you got a closed ear tab with felt covering it. Let me show you what the permatease looks like from the top down. It's not too bad. I mean, I think the texture basically covers up a multitude of sins. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on now. And this one basically went right into shape immediately without me having to do anything to it. This wig fits true to average, but I find it to be pretty comfortable because if you adjust the back, it tends to be nice and stretchy because it's got that memory cap technology. That's the lace front. Let me pulling this way up on my forehead so you can kind of see. Now I do think that that's a little teeny bit on the sparse side, but it gets gradually thicker as it gets towards the top of the wig. So I don't think it's necessarily a bad lace front, just be aware that it's a little sparse. But still, I think it's a nice feature on this particular style. It really helps with the realism of this wig. Right, fluff her up a little bit. I think this is a great length for a heat-friendly synthetic wig. It's nice and short above the collar. So there you have it. This is the really cute Chic Alert wig by Raquel Welch in the color RL32/31, also known as Cinnabar. Remember, this is a heat-friendly synthetic in an average cap size. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my web store if you get a chance. It's just CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous afternoon. Bye-bye.